Good morning. So you guys just finished this video that's on the screen in front of you, which was Fusion 360 for Woodworking Part 1. And we did this. It's a little bit of a second kind of introductory video. I realized that we didn't get a whole lot accomplished with this drawing, but hopefully it provided or further provided kind of this creation of a really strong foundation for you of hopefully understanding Fusion 360. I know we're starting very slow, so some of you might have been a little bit bored. But hang with me. We will certainly get going on some other stuff here down the road. Anyway, you just finished this video, so it was 19 minutes or so, 19 and a half. And you had these basically only two boards drawn. So what I'm here to do is to show you what to turn in now. So I did the video and drew along with him. And this was kind of what I got from my drawing. So just these two blocks of wood. He didn't give very many specifics about measurements, and that's just fine. We were just getting used to the tools and pulling and dragging and extruding and what it can do and making changes and curves and all that kind of stuff to lay the foundation for stuff that we'll do later. So you don't need to have any measurements on here, nothing like that. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a screenshot of this. And I'm not sure that we talked about it, so I thought we would do it again, how to do that screenshot. So we're going to go down here to our search window. And we are going to start typing snipping tool. I only got a little bit in there and it popped right up. We're going to use this. We want to double check that we're in rectangular snip for our mode, okay? And then it'll take you to a new one already. And the back of the screen kind of blurs out. And what that means is I have this little plus sign, and now I can drag a window out over my drawing. All right. And so right now this is my screenshot, right? And so I can go right up here to save as, and you can save yours wherever you'd like. I'd recommend something like downloads though. And let's call this Fusion 360 Woods Part 1. And I always like to put my name after it, and I think that's a good practice for you guys too. Yours might not have this window to do this. Yours might have automatically saved to download. Sometimes you guys don't get this window on your computers. Mine always asks me what I want to call it, and so that's what it's called, saving it. Yours might have just gone to downloads right off the bat, and that's okay too. Okay? That screenshot then that you just took is what you can turn into for your Google Classroom assignment. Okay? So go back there, attach that to this, and then hit turn in. And then you are all set with this assignment.